first day of its annual developer conference, the WWDC 2021, Apple unveiled its new software updates, including the latest version of the iPhone OS, the iOS 15, the new iPad OS, iPad OS 15, Watch OS 8, and a ton of new privacy features. The new iOS 15 is loaded with features like notification controller, live text for photographs, and memories for photos. Apple has also updated its Maps and Wallet apps. iPad OS will allow users to rearrange widgets on iPads. Apple has also unveiled a host of new privacy features that would block the user's mail ID from being tracked. An important addition is the iCloud Plus, which includes additional features for online privacy and essentially works as a VPN through its private relay feature. Google has been fined €220 million or approximately 1,952 crore by France's competition regulator. The fine was levied after the regulator found Google was guilty of exploiting its dominant market position for placing ads. As per a new report by research firm Gartner, worldwide smartphone sales grew by 26% in Q1 of 2021. This comes after the last quarter saw a drop of 5% in sales. Samsung displaced Apple from the top spot as per the report. Xiaomi, Vivo, and Oppo took the next 3 spots in the top 5 list. A new report by cybersecurity firm Kaspersky has revealed that the number of cyber attacks on crypto users has quadrupled in the first quarter of 2021. Cybersecurity researchers discovered a total of 23,894 new modifications of miners in this period. A 21-year-old student whose personal images were leaked online after she gave her iPhone for repair will be paid out in millions by Apple as part of a settlement. The images were leaked to her Facebook account in 2016 by 2 technicians while the phone was being repaired at a repair center in California. Just when you thought foldable phones and curved displays are bizarre, wait until you hear about Samsung's new OLED display that can be stretched in all directions like a rubber band. Researchers at Samsung have reportedly created a new stretchable display that can be stretched up to 30% while still working normally. The display could be used in fitness devices and trackers. Twitter has admitted that it blocked 4 accounts in India after a legal request by the Indian government. The accounts have been geo-restricted from India but can be seen anywhere else in the world. The accounts had reportedly posted tweets against PM Modi and the new farm bills.